Got this? Cook that. I want to help you guys use leftover stuff in your fridges, pantries, fruit baskets, veg drawers, wherever, instead of wasting it. Or perhaps you're just fresh out of ideas. I have got recipes for you that are gonna save you money, save you time, and just inspire delicious ideas. Got too many apples? Let's make potato rosti. Apple tuna samis. Apple BIRCHER muesli. Or perhaps apple grilled cheese. How do you like them apples? Cool recipes, right? Now you know what to do with your apples if you have some lying around. And actually, if you have other things lying around, like maybe chicken sausages and you don't know what to do with them, or cheese, although who doesn't know what to do with cheese? Anyway, leave a comment down below and I'll shoot you some ideas. And more importantly, if you're looking for the recipes, head over to my Instagram account, Claire_Winstanley, and they're all there for you to copy, make, and enjoy. Yum. I want to help you guys use leftover stuff in your stuff. Yeah. Can I go? We should do a little montage of how many times of me going, can I go? Can I go? Someone ever says action. Can I go? Can I go?
Action.
I didn't. Help me make this. I'm talking very long here. Okay, let me try again. Let me say it again because it's so long-winded. People are going to be like, and next video. I'd rather watch Katy Perry.